I be in the trenches with my day ones. We gon' grind, stay down till that day come. I'm only 14, trying to get my cake up. Diamonds on my wrist, you know it's frozen. All these people always told me that I'm chosen. Skirt off real fast in that foreign.
What is up, Go fam? You already know we out here. Right now, I'm at the parking lot. I should have started my vlog way earlier because I was with Crash Boys and all. We was making this fire-ass clip for the ride out that's coming up. It's gonna be lit, but right now we're at the lot. Right now it's like almost 8. Start getting clips here. It's still a couple people here. VJ, Vitelli, Hunter, couple of us. You know, I'm on the 125 right now. The 70s right there. Look at that worm. Let's get some clips here. That's the ball, Wild VJ. Look, always wildin'. Always wildin'. Always wildin'. Look, it never chills. Oh my God. Wild VJ on the loose. Wild VJ on the loose. Wild VJ. Look at. Yo! He got no chill. He got no chill. Yo! I'm telling you, that's Wild VJ. Look. Wild VJ. Wow. Look, he just okay. Stop playing with it. Yeah. Let that bitch drop back, you heard me? Yeah. Don't drop. No hands. I know you were going to hit the no hands. Oh! Okay. Oh. Okay. Drop that wheel. Don't drop. Look at Wild VJ. Don't drop. To see if someone can give me some videos on this thing. Lately, I've been zapped, so I'm about to try to get some clips. because my pants are like a little slippery. I ain't gonna lie, they're a little slippery on the seat. Almost slipped off, so I ain't gonna try like switch knee knockers on, but you see the vibes. I feel like I'm the GOAT, like, well, I am the GOAT, but like, when I'm riding the dirt bike, I just feel like it ain't no comparison, like, no lie. Like, I just feel like the greatest, for real. Oh my God. I don't care if I'm in a parking lot too. Yeah, I'm in a parking lot. Still getting busy. If you want smoke, come to the parking lot and get it, you dig. Oh yeah, Kobe watched that new video. Kobe watched that new video. Oh, come on, keep your feet on the ground. Actually, he recorded that video. Okay. Where though? Kobe said he wants to trade this for that. And he broke the bike. Right, Kobe? Didn't you say you want to trade this for that, right? Yeah. That's it. Come on. Okay. Word! I'm about to try like a long ass no hands. I don't know how many clips it's gonna take, but I'm gonna take it till I feel like I'm like, damn. So I'm about to get my guy Kobe about to record me on the 70. Let's see if he can keep up.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Yeah.
They're tripping! think we about to leave the lot now. Everyone's, well, we are leaving the lot because it's getting dark. Everyone's loading their hoagies up. But yo, you saw that, what? All right, go fam. Me and Mike is now right. Whoa, where's Mike at? Oh, Mike's right there. I'm on the Fat River because last night me and Mike was riding also. My C100 caught a flat. Yeah, I got a hoodie on because it got a little chilly. But me and my guy Mike's out here. Probably not gonna get no pedal bike clips because right now I'm a worm on these tings. I need to fix my C100 back up, get the flat fixed. I need to rim trude a little bit. My gears need to work better because like they're like from being on the plane, and you know. I know it wasn't so much going on today, but I need to just start just vlogging all the time, like, cause like I'll be doing some fun AS, but I just don't vlog. I don't know why, but I'm gonna start. You already know, go fam. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. You already know, go fam. We